Setting up a custom chatbot in Character AI is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up a custom chatbot in Character AI. For that, we will go to Character AI, obviously. I'm just going to click on this link. It will take me to the Character AI's website. It is pretty much the same in Android and iOS. You just have to click on create and then create a character. You just have to click on that. There are several fields that you need to fill. So the first one is the name. You guys can give the character any name. Suppose I want to give that character the name of the Bob. I'm just going to write Bob. And then you have to type the greetings. For example, if we have Albert Einstein, he could say, hello, I'm Albert Einstein. I was born in, and stuff like that. You guys can just say, hi guys, I am Bob the Builder. I am Bob the Builder, which was a famous cartoon back then. And now you guys have to check this box which says enable image generation for this character. Now after that, you guys can select if you want to create this bot public, private, or unlisted. I'm just going to click on public, and you guys can also add the photo for the character, or you guys can generate the photo. I'm just going to click on create image, and then I'm going to type how the character will look. I'm just going to create, and what it will do is it will create the character with these statics in mind. You guys can fill this field according to your choice. And this is the character one. Suppose I'm just going to click on set avatar, and then I'm going to click on create and chat. And now here you guys can see this Bob and Bob the Builder character has been made, and I can chat with him. Hello, Bob. I have seen your cartoon. I'm just going to type in, and what it will do is it will respond us with the messages like normal chatbots. So that's pretty much it. That's how we do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.